Hello and welcome all to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we are going to study what is a linear differential equation of first order and how to solve a linear differential equation. So, a linear differential equation of first order is an equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x y is equals to q of x. A differential equation is said to be linear if there is no product term of y and its derivative. So here we can see that this is a linear differential equation. Now if we have to solve the linear differential equation, first we have to find the integrating factor, and that integrating factor is given by e raised to integration of p of x dx. Now after finding the integrating factor, the solution of the differential equation is given by as y into integrating factor. This is equals to integration of q of x integrating factor of dx. So first of all, we have to convert any equation into this form to get the linear differential equation. From this we have to find px, and after finding the px we have to find the integrating factor, and that is given by as e raised to integration p of x dx. Then the solution of this differential equation is given as y into integrating factor, that is equals to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx. We will solve some example to see that how to solve a linear differential equation. Now we consider this example to solve the first order linear differential equation. Here we see that our differential equation is given by this. Now first of all, we have to convert this differential equation into our required form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. So after finding the differential equation in this form, we will get the value of p of x and q of x, and then we will find the integrating factor, and then we will solve the differential equation. So if we consider our differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y, this term I am taking to the other side, so it will become x into sin x. Now if we divide this equation by x, we get dy by dx plus 2 upon xy is equals to sin x. Now comparing this equation with this form, we get p of x is equals to 2 upon x and q of x is equals to sin x. So our integrating factor will be equal to e raised to integration of p of x dx. This is equals to e raised to integration of 2 upon x dx. So this is equals to e raised to 2 will be outside the integration sign, so 1 upon x dx. This is equals to e raised to integration of 1 by x is log x. Now this is equals to, by using the property of log, it will become e raised to log of x square. Again we know that e raised to log of anything, that function itself. So integrating factor is equals to x square. The solution of the differential equation, is given as y into integrating factor. This is equals to integration of q of x into integrating factor plus c. So y into x square is equals to integration of q of x is sin x, and this integrating factor is x square plus c. So y into x square is equals to y. Now we will use dx. Now we will use integration by parts to solve this equation, and we get, by using integration by parts, we get minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 2 cos x plus c. So this is the solution of the differential equation. We will solve some more example to see how to solve linear differential equation. Consider the second example. dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x square e raised to tan inverse of x minus 1. So we will convert this equation into this our required form. So dy by dx plus 1 upon 1 plus x square into y is equals to e raised to tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square. We have taken this y to the other side. So comparing this equation with dy by dx plus px into y is equals to q of x, we get p of x is equals to 1 upon 1 plus x square and q of x is equals to e raised to tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square. The integrating factor will be equal to e raised to integration of px dx. So this is equals to e raised to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So this is equals to e raised to tan inverse of x. So our integrating factor is e raised to tan inverse of x. The solution of the differential equation is given as y into integrating factor. This is equals to integration of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Now putting the values of integrating factor and q of x, we get y into e raised to tan inverse of x. This is equals to integration of q of x is e raised to tan inverse of x upon 1 plus x square into e raised to tan inverse of x dx plus c. So y e raised to tan inverse of x is equals to integration of e raised to tan inverse of x, its whole square on 1 plus x square dx plus c. Now to solve this integration, on the right hand side we put tan inverse of x is equals to t, therefore 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equals to dt. So our integration will become e raised to t its square dt. This is equals to integration of e raised to 2t dt. So this is e raised to 2t upon 2. Now this will become e raised to 2 into tan inverse of x upon 2. Putting this value in above equation, we get the solution as y into e raised to tan inverse of x. This is equals to e raised to 2 tan inverse of x upon 2 plus c. So this is the final solution of our linear differential equation. Thank you.